Hey, hello friends. Welcome to our channel SAP SD and ABAP League Support. So today we'll discuss about the filtering technique in SAP Solution Manager. Okay, so the filtering can be applied in either in the browse window or list window. But if you want to get the result in an accurate way, in a list way, and if you see here in the browser window, we have that split screen here. Like the folder wise, and inside that folder one more list of scripts are there, configuration items are there. Under that we have a data like documents, configuration unit or configuration documents, URL, several things are here. But if you go to the list view, you see I am just getting the data, the documents only, not the pathwise here. If I go to say best practice configuration, I will get these many folders. And if we go to the configuration library, again same thing will applied here. That means every time I will click on that particular folder or list, means to display the data only. Fine. So what I will do here now, you see there is an option here, filter by. Just click this one, filter by, and we will play with this and understand how the filtering technique will help us to uh, figure it out or get the required data, whatever we are looking for from the Solman. So in our first session on Solman, we discussed about search strategy, right? So search also will help us, but filtering is more powerful than search. Okay, so click this filter by icon, then we can click this type. Okay, it is loading. Let's wait for some time. Okay, fine. So we got the data now. So here you see here the type. You see the column here type. There are different types of data available in the Solman. The first one is building block. So if I select this building block, I'll get the data related to this building block only. Let me click select here. See, I get only the data related to building block only. So it's a filtering basically. And we can see 65 entries are there with the building block. And similar way, if I want to go with the configuration folder, I'll get only the folder data only here. And we have only one configuration library, and this is that one. And if I scroll down a little bit, you see there are 344 best practice documents available. And coming to IMG reference, so that means in our previous session we discussed, right? We can also add the configuration SPR1 node for any kind of scenarios. So if I click this one, I will get the required data here. You see, define group of deliveries, define document number ranges, define copy delete check plant, maintain output determination procedure. Like this, we can get a lot of IMG activities here. And if I want to go with the transaction, that is also possible. Click the transaction here. I'll get the 456 entries here as a transaction. So in this way, we can simply filter the data as per our need. So what I will do here, I will select the IMG object one. Now I will scroll down. So now what I will do, I will go with this again filter by. So here we have the one more option here, add filter and list column. So remember that I have selected IMG object and I clicked on filter by. So here I selected add filter and list column. Just select this one. So again here we have n number of columns available like accountable, action, activity, change status, business rule, change document, when it was created, the date and time, and who created this document. Suppose if you want to display the data based on that user who created this document means select this created by, click on OK, and if I scroll down, I see so there are only one user available, that is Agatha Baur. If I select this one, I will get those data only here. As it is a single user, this means that this Solman is handled by only single user. That's why we see only one user here. If this accessed by different user also means, then we see more than one user name here. Then we can filter the data based on the user. Okay, this is all about the filtering technique available in SAP Solution Manager. You can explore it further, and if you have any concerns or queries means, please do let me know in the comment section. We can discuss it further. That's it from this video guys. We can catch up in the next video. Bye for now.